All right, we're pulling the fan. Ooh, wait. Did you see this
What?
move?
Well, we were holding it.
Yeah, but it did a kind of a, like maybe the bearing's getting a little funk.
Not loose. The whole stand is, but
Yeah.
not the fan.
Yeah, it's probably just
Luckily. Early 4th gen. He has a LT1 car. Yeah. Where are the bags? Bags?
Yeah, I just been putting them back in.
Oh, yeah, because we have bags we've been making up. They're probably back on the table.
There's one on the floor somewhere in this building because I walked on it.
All right.
one bag. So we don't lose.
Yeah.
No, there's a whole box somewhere.
Yeah, no, there was a whole box. So.
There we go.
And then where do you want to store these?
Let's just set it right there for now. We'll get bags together.
Now the pump and the...
Someone's got to beat off the pulley.
Oh,
Get that off.
Oh, with the
rubber mallet. Yeah, and then we need a.
Let's do this.
Are you gonna pop it your way? Are you gonna be educating Mr. Sherman?
Well, Paul's trying to get this off, and he's underneath it, shaking it, and that's not a good thing.
No.
That's a little scary.
Flood your face.
Here, wait,
Oh.
wait. You see that wrench?
The Rocher.
Give him some head protection or something.
Now, where is it? Can you put it on there?
That's right.
What I like to do on these, here, hang on, I see where you're putting it, Paul. Sorry. What I like to do with these, I like to go this way. Can't see it from the cycle. Hang on a second, get out of there, Paul.
Look, Ma.
It says...
Oh God.
Oh well.
Oh God. That's why we had. Paul, that's why we had to get up because you don't want to wear that.
Where's the kitty there?
It's up there.
Somebody go get the kitty cat later.
Okay, where is that damn bolt? Oh, there it is. I like to go in at it this way.
Ooh, we're doing the hillbilly technique.
Yep. That's the idea. Except I
It's
gotta
the same
figure out how to
thing.
get
Those are
it.
interchangeable words.
Pretty much.
There we go.
One might be a little snazzier than the other, but
And then, see? That's it. It's
Leverage.
loose.
yep. And that's how it goes.
Now you can do it.
Just watch your step, please. Chris is on the kitty litter.
Found it. I found it.
Are you rocking the cat box?
Here, kitty.
Meow.
Somebody's been doing it a little better. Maybe think of rocking the Casbah.
Yeah.
We did.
Instead of rock the Casbah, it's rock the cat box.
It's just, there's
Whatever.
Yes.
Remaining on the bottom.
It's rock the cat box. We ruin songs over here. We know
tearing
this.
engines apart is messy business.
Remember, you were with me when we learned it was westbound and down and eastbound and down. There's actually 2 songs.
That's why you do them on the front lawn.
All right, so we need a rubber mallet. Is that what you said?
Yes. Yes.
Don't you want a puller for that?
No, that you can beat that off.
Grayson.
I didn't even mean that in a horrible manner, but it walked right into it. It's like, well, yeah, I guess you can. Mark probably watches these and goes, oh, fuck.
Was this factory to have
He does a lot of that. He
the
said,
drain and the...
Josh Hawley just released his book called Manhood. And
Much more.
it's 268 pages. Really? Your manhood is that long and that thick? Kind of like reminding me what you
My kind of humor right there.
They're doing the
Dun-dun-dun.
epoxy.
Wah, wah, wah.
Okay. Hang on a second here.
It's only a 3-car garage,
We,
but...
Wow.
them boys whacking in my tool shed.
That's not gonna work.
Anybody remember that from Beavis and Butthead?
What is he doing?
Wanna just
It's
wait
whacking.
until you drop the pin?
It's, you
That
can
was the
try.
character that became Hank Hill.
Yes, it's the same voice, but they're 2 separate characters. Tom Anderson and
Gotta
Hank Hill are 2
go
separate people.
forward. That's
But
the
yes,
problem.
they share many
The wheels.
qualities.
Yeah, I was hoping we could just get the...
No, it's not.
Tom Anderson was much
You
more
try.
naive than Hank Hill.
It's right here. Yep. might go, but I doubt it. Yeah.
Mark watches this.
Forward.
Oh, it's TV trivia. We're rocking.
She's still not gonna go. Careful.
What are they trying to do?
Get
Slide
the thing forward
forward.
a hair so we can get the pin in. Get the whole motor.
It don't want to go. Wait.
Okay.
I have a persuader.
Wow!
Somebody needed this?
Yeah, they need to. There needs to be some banging.
On this angle?
Yeah. Okay. Watch the junk. Yahtzee.
You broke it.
No, Jenga.
That's Yahtzee.
That's Jenga. What it is.
I know we take this off.
Okay.
Yep, all comes off.
Is that regional dialects call it different things?
What?
Because you're like,
Jenga is the game.
I know, but
Jenga.
we've always said Yahtzee when it hits the floor.
Yahtzee is a game with dice.
Yeah. But that's when you get Yahtzee. You celebrate.
There's a half inch up there.
Yeah, you need a half an inch.
I think I brought one.
I think you did. Oh, I gotta show you this.
Ooh, here, Paul. Let's hold this up. Does that help?
Yeah.
Look at this.
I love old starters. Like 100 pounds. Size of a pineapple.
You know how my front tooth is chipped? Grand National starter got me.
Ooh.
Spit the piece of tooth out, kept working.
Mm-hmm.
Hurt like hell. Bleeding everywhere.
Yeah.
Never fixed it because I knew it's just going to happen again anyway.
Mm-hmm.
A half inch is too big.
Yeah. And you put a crown on it, it's gonna break.
Yeah, exactly.
Some of them hurt. This stuff was.
That's
Yeah, but
weird
see,
how some of that stuff just wasn't
Oh, you
tight.
need a deep. Is it the right size? Just need a deep socket?
This one, for some reason.
7/16. Those would be 7/16.
Okay.
That's scary.
Got the boys over here doing the water pump. Got Paul over here doing the starter. Glenn supervising.
Yeah.
I had to show you this.
What'd you make? Is that
This
a custom
is
Chingus?
a 13 millimeter socket, 1/4 inch drive. It turns, this was, I had to make this.
Come off now.
Okay. Okay, I need somebody with two hands. I was supporting actor. There you go. Ooh, look at Paul got that. Hold it up like you won something.
There you go.
We're just like doing victory photos with parts. It's fun.
So it turns
What a workout.
out, it
I just paid $1,000 to have a starter changed on my Honda, and this thing just pops right off.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You're like,
$1,000 to change a starter?
Well,
Shite.
I should say a new one. Well, the starter part itself was like $400.
Yeah. I
Ouch.
rebuild stuff for free. Well, not free. It's just my time.
you like rebuilding stuff.
So, well, this I had to rebuild
Wow.
a brake.
Okay, where do we put
Just
the
set it
part?
over there
Put
right
it
now.
over in the pile.
So this turns out that little Simca 1000S was assembled by underpants gnomes.
The underpants gnomes?
Yes.
Lemmy Winks, the underpants gnome?
Yes. So
The very one.
So to get to a master cylinder bolt, I had to machine this shorter and take this out to clear the rag joint.
Wow.
And it worked, but it doesn't look like any socket you've seen before.
No, that's very.
Thing that connects to steering.
That's a Sherman custom tool.
And it's a multi-layer.
Order yours today, $49.95. Right? You sell us for $50.
No, that's a,
And they do break.
I don't know what that is.
$100?
Well, it's like the side of a tire.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I ever need a rag joint and I can't get one, I'll just tear up a tire. Cut away everything out of a tire that doesn't
I
look
have
like a rag
actually
joint.
done that.
That is excellent hillbilly engineering.
But yeah, that's what I had to do.
The thing for the Simca.
Yep.
Thing for the Simca, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
So we're just looking for bags that we don't.
Yes,
So
bags.
So
Bags.
What's this called?
Water pump. Water pump.
Be all
Water,
the way on the bottom too. Where'd you get them all?
water pump, water pump. I'll go find bags.